Hello. Did you know the IICRC WRT or Water Restoration Technician class is now available completely in Spanish? That's right, it's the exact same class as the English WRT class, but everything is in Spanish, from the PowerPoint to the instructor speaking Spanish, to the manual, to the exam with the IICRC after class. Everything's in the Spanish language. If you have anybody on your team that's a native Spanish speaker, this is the perfect class for them. Taking the WRT course in your native language makes it so much easier to comprehend and understand what is being taught, especially a little bit more complex topics like psychrometry. Check it out at learntorestore.com. And by the way, it's the exact same price as the English WRT class. There's some other Spanish WRT classes out there and they're jacking the price way up because it's a Spanish class. Not at learntorestore.com. It's the exact same price as the English WRT. Check it out now. You'll be so happy you did. I'm biased a little bit, but our instructors are amazing. Anthony Ramos teaches that Spanish WRT class. He is great. He has amazing reviews and you will love him. Check it out, learntorestore.com.